Hi, Alan Jones, North Island Wool Manager for PGG Wrightson's Napier. Today the North Island Centre offered 6,500 bales, and of the offering today there was around about 8% passed. PGW offered 2,140 bales, and of our offering we passed 4%. The market today started off on a very positive note, with all buyers eager to get their hands on wool, which was good to see. We haven't seen that for a couple of three sales now. But bidding was very spirited on all types, and on average today across the board the market would have been quoted as being 11% up on our previous sales, which was good to see. Good colour second shears sitting around about the 280 to 285 mark. The average one's around the 260 to 265, and even the poorer fleece today that was selling at 180 clean to 190, that was up to 220. So the poorer colour ones today moved the most. They would have been up 30 cents clean on our previous sales. And this was probably due to lack of supply of those types now going forward, as we're getting near the end of the season for that poor longer fleece that's been available in the last three sales in bigger numbers. So it was good to see reasonable clearance and very attractive bidding. Lambs were very spasmodic again today. Some fetched really good prices, others were just on a par with our last sale. Very hard to move those at the moment with China being out of the market, not bidding on anything, and still having big problems with shipping delays and containerisation space. So that's still having an effect on the market as well. But with the dollar being down today, it was down about 5.7% on our last sale. That's probably helped improve the market as well. So our New Zealand dollar was today it's sitting at 65.4. Our last sale it was 69.09. So you can see there was a big drop there. Our market indicator was at 275 today. Our last sale 2 weeks ago was at 244. So there's 11% increase here, which is what the market improved by today. So that's all transpired through to the indicator as well. Our next sale is next week, looking at only offering about 5,500 bales. So hopefully the market can hold and we can progress further. Thank you.